Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can create FTP account and upload files using FileZilla. So let me scroll down and here you can see I'm using HostGator web hosting. So let me scroll down and click on cPanel. And after that now let me go to FTP accounts. Here you can see this one. So now I have multiple websites, so I can select one of the website from here. And now let me scroll down and I want to delete this one. Okay, now let me go and select a website. Let me scroll down. So for this website I want to create FTP account. Let me go here, and here you can see this one is the actual website. For that I am creating FTP account and trying to upload files using FileZilla. So now I am logged in into the website. Now if I go to appearance and click on themes, then here you can see currently I have Divi WordPress theme, and then these are the default WordPress themes. So now let me go here and start creating FTP account. Okay, after that now scroll down, so you can remove this directory and you can select public HTML, this one. So sometimes you get errors when you are using FileZilla, so that will not load contents, so that's why we can use this one. Then click on create account. You can also limit your FTP account 2000 MB, 3000, 4000, whatever you want. Then click on create FTP account. So now scroll down and here you can see this one is the recent account that we have created. Then click on configure FTP client account. So now let me go and copy this website name, this one. So this one, now we need to search for FileZilla. So here you can see this one, and now this one should be added in host. And then let me copy this one full. Then we need to add this in the user box, this one. Then make sure that you are adding a correct password. After that we need to add port number, so you can find it from here. Then click on quick connect. Okay, now here you can see this one is connected. Sometimes you will get certificate, so then you need to select number 2 or number 3 options. After that you will get all of the files. So here you can see these are all the files. Now I need to find a website where I want to upload some theme content, this one, WP content. And then here you can see themes. So let me go and select one of the themes from my laptop. Now let me go back, go and try to upload this one. So here you can see now theme file is uploading. Okay, now this file is uploaded, and now if you want to extract this file you can also do from cPanel. So now let's go back to the cPanel. Okay, now let's go back to the website dashboard, and here you can see we have uploaded theme, but that is not available here. So how you can fix out that? You can go to file manager, click here, and then let's go to this website, WP content, then themes. So now we need to extract this one. Simply right click and click on extract button, then you can click here extract files. Okay, now let's reload this page, and now we don't need this zip file, so let me go and delete this file. So now let's reload this page. Now here you can see theme file is uploaded and it is available here, so you can easily activate from here.